I covered this cake with a delicious white chocolate Swiss meringue buttercream, you guys. It was so silky smooth. To make it, we're gonna need 6 ounces of white chocolate. I'm gonna melt this in 10-second intervals and we're gonna set it aside and we can move on to the next step, which for me was separating the egg whites. You're gonna need 150 grams. You can also use carton egg whites. And we're gonna whisk this over simmering water until the sugar dissolves. This takes about 3 to 5 minutes. You wanna be whisking constantly and you'll know it's ready when it feels smooth between your fingers. Now we can remove our bowl and put it in our mixer. Now we're gonna whip this at a high speed. I actually started at a 4 just so the sugar didn't go everywhere for about a minute, and then I went up to an 8 for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now we're gonna need 2 cups of butter. You want this to be slightly cooled. You don't want this super warm, super soft. And we're gonna add this a few tablespoons at a time. Right here, I'm using the paddle attachment and I'm mixing at a 4. After all the butter is in, we're gonna go up to speed 5. Now we're gonna mix here for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's very smooth. After that, we're gonna add our vanilla. I am using a tablespoon or teaspoon. I added a pinch of salt and now I'm adding my cooled chocolate. As you guys can see, it's still a little bit runny. You can mix this for 2 to 3 minutes at a low speed just to get the air bubbles out. At this point, you guys, my buttercream was a little too soft. I put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes and this is what it looks like after it's been whipped up. And it's ready, you guys. It is so delicious. Make sure that you guys are saving this recipe. I ended up adding a tiny bit of brown food coloring. I already shared the vanilla cake recipe. Next, I'm going to be sharing the raspberry jam. I'm also going to share the raspberry mousse that I made. It is so delicious, you guys. I'm also going to share what it looks like inside once it's cut. We're going to finish this cake with some candles on top, which I will share later on. So make sure that you guys are following me and don't miss out any of these delicious recipes.